So hello guys, I was talking about ethical question. Okay, those are asked in the interview. So अभी आपने लिखा कि if the interviewer asks you where do you see yourself after 5 years, so what will be your answer? You have written. ठीक है, आपने उस चीज को लिख लिया है कि क्या जवाब होगा. Yes, Mr. Azam.
Yes, you must be honest. I must be honest to the company.
Okay, very good. I must be honest to the company. Applying new methods, touching the sky, and when you will be having an interview after 5 years of others, so you'll be giving my example to others. Okay, just I want to see myself after 5 years. Yes, है कि नहीं? This is the answer. Okay, एक question और भी बहुत पूछा जाता है guys. The question is mostly and oftenly asked in the interview. Okay, what will be your responsibilities? ठीक है? What will be your responsibilities as a part of this company? है कि नहीं? पूछा जाता कि नहीं पूछा जाता guys? So what will be the answer? Yes guys. What will be the answer?
First, we have to read the job description. According to job description, we have to answer this question.
Yes. Responsibilities, you don't need to have the job description. ये तो एक ethical question है. आपको जवाब देना अपनी creativity से. It can be applied anywhere for the interview. ठीक है?
My job responsibilities will be I will be honest to company.
Yes.
And I will do work my on time.
Mm-hmm.
I will always be be honest to the company.
हाँ.
The company. That's all.
Sir, if you put me here, क्या होगा?
I take care of integrity क्या होता है उसको?
Integrity.
Integrity yeah.
Okay sir, if you put me here, क्या मैंने बोला? If you put me here, if you hire me here today, ठीक है? अगर आप मुझे हायर करते हैं and you give me salary, you give me salary. So of course it is my responsibility to give that company 3 times more than my salary. ठीक है? यानी अगर मुझे कंपनी सैलरी दे रही है तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यह है कि 3 गुना ज्यादा मैं उसको प्रॉफिट दूं, 3 गुना ज्यादा उसको मैं क्या दूं? नफा दूं, फायदा पहुंचाऊं. ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए सर, अगर आप मुझे हायर करते हैं तो. लगा एक बढ़िया से कि नहीं लगा?
जी हाँ.
तो यही चीजें होती हैं. ठीक है? द इंटरव्यूअर वांट्स द सेम थिंग बिकॉज ही जस्ट मीन्स टू द प्रॉफिट. Yes. So if you reply like this, sir, if you hire me here, so it will be my responsibility. I will give the company 3 times more than my salary. It will be the perfect answer. So you can write it. Okay. Mr. Azam, the one more question is oftenly asked in the interview. Okay. Okay. If you get offer 15 LPA after 2 months, joining this company, यानी इस कंपनी को आपने ज्वाइन किया और 2 महीने के बाद आपको 15 LPA मिल रहे हैं. ठीक है? 15 लाख पर एनम. तो आप क्या करेंगे उसको? बहुत पूछते हैं भाई.
मिलता ही नहीं है सर.
पूछते हैं दिस क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड. ठीक है? कि अगर मान लो आपको बहुत अच्छा जॉब ऑफर मिल गया तो क्या करोगे? इस कंपनी को छोड़ के चले जाओगे?
नो.
तो मतलब क्या चाहते हो आप? ये बैठे रहोगे कंपनी छोड़ के? आपको अपना करियर नहीं बनाना है? जाहिर सी बात है, इंटरव्यूअर आज भाई आपको अपना करियर नहीं बनाना है.
सर इसको आंसर ऐसा देंगे ना. You trust me, you trust on me, and you give me proper training, and there is lots of expenses of money is on me.
Okay.
So I will be honest for company.
That's good. Quite good. ठीक है? But listen. ठीक है? If he asks this type of question, ठीक है? Your answer will be, sir. First of all क्या बोलना है? Sir, I know my worth. क्या बोलना है? I know my worth. ठीक है? मैं किस लायक हूँ ये मुझे पता है. If someone comes to me and promises me to give 15 LPA after 2 months, so of course, sir, first of all, I will search then I will think about it. Because no one is going to give me this kind of salary after 2 months. Everyone needs a person who is having the experience. Yes or no? So first of all, sir, I know my work. I will check, then think about it. This is an ethical question. If you reply that no, I'm very honest, sir, I will not leave this company. Okay, so you are here. You are here to be a couch potato. No, you don't need to reply like this. Okay, okay, चलो ठीक है, ये हो गया. आपके हो गए कि
ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आता है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस वालों से आता है जो सैलरी डिस्कशन में थोड़ा बहुत करते हैं.
yeah, with this question comes, ठीक है, you cannot say नहीं आता है, ठीक है, because you cannot predict it. The interviewer cannot ask. Yes or no?
यस सर.
Can ask. चलो ठीक है.
इसको क्या बताया था आपने, व्हाट इज योर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी, इसको आप बोलिए ना.
What is your in the later I will be explaining you, ठीक है, you will be having the time and I will let you write. Okay, now you just need to listen. Okay, just mark the question, answer you may write later. Okay, and एक चीज और भी बहुत पूछी जाती है. Lot of people are there in the queue, why should I hire you? ये तो बहुत पूछा जाता है.
So in this we can answer this question according to job description and match the profile that you are applying.
Okay,
and give the proper answer to interviewer.
Okay. या इसका क्वेश्चन देखो, आपके जॉब प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे हो सकता है, ठीक है, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी के ऊपर है, ठीक है, आप क्या, आपके अंदर यूनिक क्या है, ठीक है, आप कैसे उसको दे सकते हो, यूटिलाइज कैसे कर सकते हो उस चीज को. बट यू कैन से इन अ सिंपल वे, सर, just first you open the book and ready to write. Yes, ready to write. Okay, you can say, sir, I the person, if you hire me and if you put me in your company, so I can do unexpected success. क्या सकते हो? Unexpected success for the company, for me, for others in your company. ठीक है, and the same question, the same answer will be there. You will be giving my example to others. I can do unexpected success in this company, and you will be giving my example to others.
Interviewer गुस्सा में बोलेगा कंपनी को बनाओगे तुम.
ना, he will not say, he won't be saying like this. ठीक है, ये चीजें हो सकती है. अब जाहिर सी बात है, if you will customize and you will be lying, telling a lie, so he is not going to trust. ठीक है, because he is having lot of interviews every day, ठीक है, so he is not going to trust anymore. So you have to say a unique answer by which he can impress.
सर क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Why should I hire you? Why should I hire you? ये हो सकता है.
Answer is
Okay. Why should I hire you? ठीक है, sir, if you hire me, so I can do unexpected success for this company. So I can do unexpected success for this company, and you will be giving my example to others. So guys, as I explained, the 7th point was that you have to work hard. You have to work hard. This is the interview, and the question is about your career, your future, your goal. So you have to practice, you have to work hard. So of course you will be having a good job. Okay, so you must be ready for that.
कंपनी.
Thank you.
सर कंपनी में बात क्या था?